To me, it means great, exceptional, fantastic. It's really the passion that the Veeam team has to be successful in the marketplace, to help our customers to be successful, and giving our employees the opportunity to continue to raise the bar, having a culture where people can voice their opinions, and having a culture where we do great things for our employees. A great example is just this week we have a full day of learning that we've set up. Our HR team has set up for our employees, and I call that Veeamazing. We've brought in keynote speakers externally, helping people to learn about leadership and for them to continue to grow, and setting aside an entire day for our teams to do that is truly Veeamazing.